today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cilantro lime rice, okay? Very few ingredients. If you're tired of plain old white rice, here's something that you might get your taste buds kicked into action. Okay? You're going to need a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you can either get 3 limes, squeeze them out, and divide them into equal amounts, or you could get lime juice in a can. It won't be as fresh or have more nutritious benefits. So right here I have 2 tablespoons each of lime juice. Like I said, getting the fresh fruit and squeezing it will be more beneficial health-wise, okay? Otherwise, you're just getting the flavor, which is still the same thing. I have long grain white rice. You could also use jasmine rice or basmati rice. Right here, I have 5 sprigs of cilantro, 3 cups of plain water. Okay, that's all it takes to have rice that's kicked up a notch. Over medium heat, you're gonna add your butter. Let that melt down a bit. You're gonna add your rice that I rinsed. It's always recommended you rinse your rice. Add your lime juice. Add your salt. Now you're gonna stir everything up. You're gonna wanna coat the rice in the lime juice. See, it gets that nice sheen to it. Mixing everything up. Very simple recipe, guys. Full of flavor. After everything is thoroughly mixed up, your butter is melted down, you're gonna come in with your 3 cups of water. Pour that in. Mix it in. We're gonna let that come up to a boil now. Every once in a while, stir it up until we get up to that boiling temperature, okay? We're almost there now. You can see we got that low boil going. I'm gonna give it a little more. We want that high boil. We want it to be rumbling in there. Once you get that rolling boil like that, give it a final stir. You're gonna cover it like so. You're gonna lower your heat down. I go down to 2. My stove goes from low to high in 9 increments. I go down to 2. You're not gonna uncover it, you're not gonna stir it, and you're not gonna do anything to it, even after it cooks. 20 minutes, set your timer. I'll show you what you do after 20 minutes, okay? Always rinse your cilantro, okay? If you ever look at them, the bottom half is always dirty with dirt because it grows in the dirt. You're gonna take a knife, you're gonna chop off about this much from the bottom, like so. Now it's always best to fold it like this, in half. Then you're gonna come with your knife and finely chop it. The smaller you get it, the better. If not, you could do big chunks. Then you come this way. Just like so, okay? Now when your rice is done cooking, I'm gonna show you what you would do next, okay? We're almost there. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now. All you're gonna do is turn your heat off. Take it off your heat, okay? Don't open it, don't do nothing. Set another timer for 10 minutes. What this is doing is allowing all the steam and everything to finish cooking the rice to perfection. This is what's going with the rice. Beef stew, carne guisada, that I made yesterday that I'm warming up. If you want a recipe for this, I have a link in the top right corner of the screen right now. This is good stuff right here. You haven't lived life unless you had this. So with this and your rice, you got your meal going, okay? So 10 minutes, I'll show you what I end up with here and what I do next. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Uncover your rice. You could use a fork or a spoon. What you're trying to do now is just fluff it up. You're not gonna dig in, you're not mashing anything, so lightly fluff up your rice. Come from the bottom, flip it over, okay? Always do it like that. Come from the bottom, flip it over. You're allowing some of that steam to escape so your rice doesn't become mushy. Just like that, okay? You can keep doing that. You're not trying to break down any starches and making anything gooey or nothing like that. So you got light, fluffy rice right here, okay? Now you're gonna come in with the rest of your lime juice, sprinkle it around. I'm gonna come in with your cilantro that you chopped up, sprinkle it in there, add it to the party. Now this rice is gonna be full of flavor, and now you're gonna just fold it in. So you get some of that cilantro, you get some of that lime juice in every bite, okay? Like so. Just like that. That's what you're gonna end up with. Perfectly cooked, fluffy cilantro lime rice. We'll plate it up, show you what it looks like on the plate. I'm gonna show you a secret how the restaurants do. You're gonna take a small bowl, put some of your rice in there like so. This is gonna be fancy with it. Pack it in, like so. Just like that. You're gonna come over to your plate. Like so. Bam! That's how they do in the restaurants if you want to be fancy with it, okay? Hope that video helped you. You can see there's plenty of cilantro in there. You got that nice sheen from the lime. Look at that. So good. Questions, comments, leave below. I'll get back to everyone. Hope that video will help you. If it did, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Take care, fellas.